How to change display language in Farlight 84. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change the display language setting in Farlight 84 game. So the first thing you want to do is to launch the game open on your device, and once you reach this main lobby page, go to the top left corner and tap on this gear icon. Now go to the top and click on language. Once you're inside the language tab, click the drop down right next to language and select a different language you want to change to. After just selecting the language option, you will notice that you have successfully changed the language in the game. Some of the language out there needs downloading, whereas some of the language works even without downloading. So right there, you can easily change your display language setting in the game. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.